unbox Dartboard. So let's see. Oh, look. Oh no, look at that. There's a board. This is double-sided board. And here are the darts. Oh, there's another one. And here are all the instructions about this game. Now let's see the instructions under here. Okay. Instructions. Okay. So you have to throw it very hard. So we must. Okay, so these all have some pipes in it, so it can stick in the board. If we take out this pipe, it will stick. So if this sticks here, that means you won. Let's open this one now. You know, Dart game is a very fun game. The time flies really by and you won't be very bored. Okay, I see. There are pipes in them. So total there are 3, but if we mix them all, there is 6. I got those 6. Ooh. Okay guys, if you wanna also play with this game, then subscribe my channels. Bye.